It's denim nail tutorial time. So the first thing I'm doing is going in with a skin tone color, whatever you prefer that you would want the skin tone to be, because these are going to be ripped denim jeans. Um, and then after you did that and cure it, you go in with your darker blue. I am using two different shades. So the darker blue is going to go around the perimeter. And then of course the lighter blue is going to go around on the inside. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're literally just getting the lighter color, plopping it around. The only thing you want to make sure of when it does come time to start blending the lighter inner part first, so you're not covering up like your skin tone. But then after that, pretty much go ham, and mix it however you see fit. If you get too much gel on your brush, just dab it off on your glove. And yes, you should be wearing gloves, you guys, when you're dealing with gel polish, period, regardless of what type of polish it is. Even though I'm using my own brand's vegan gel polish, I still wear gloves. I do not have time for any type of reaction or allergies or anything like that. But anyways, so you just keep blending until your heart's content, till you feel like it looks, it's not supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to be streaky, just like how jeans really are. So you cure that, and then you can do a makeup sponge. I use the makeup sponge and cut off like the little tip of it, and then put it in this little thingy I found. And we're just dabbing around the outside to give like that ruffly, I don't know, torn jean part effect. You're going to do that. And once you're done doing that, you can go back in and start putting some white on the jean itself, because you want it to look worn. We want this to look as realistic as possible. And right now it doesn't look the best, but trust me, it's going to look so much better when we top coat. So you keep doing that and blending it. Then I'm going in with my favorite 9mm brush from the Painted Desert, and I'm just drawing the lines. Of course, the harder the pressure you're putting, the thicker the lines are going to be. And then I'm going in with that little ombre brush to like clean it up, just so it's like not so clumped up together. And then I'm curing that for 60 seconds with my white gel. It's supposed to be 90, but I'm doing that so when I wipe it off with the isopropyl, some of it comes off. And yes, before you matte top coat, always wipe off the inhibition layer with isopropyl, so you're not messing up your matte coat, because that's what causes it to be white and streaky. And then I matte it. That's how we're looking. And yeah, I hope y'all like this tutorial. It's been a minute since I've done one. But yeah, if y'all try this little denim tutorial, please do tag me in it, okay? Bye.